I'm Mark Rubin. I'm the director of the Department for Biomedical Research and also the director for the Burn Center for Precision Medicine. So I am a prostate cancer researcher, and we focus mostly on men who have advanced prostate cancer and have failed normal therapy. And we're looking for new therapies, ways to treat them after there's no option available for those men. So we use a number of model systems, a number of different approaches to ask the question, what's causing resistance or lack of response to drugs? And in the past, I think we used more animals, and I think moving forward, we're using more patient-derived samples. So we're taking cells from patients who have advanced disease, in this case, advanced prostate cancer, and we're growing them, and then we can experiment on them. And what's the great advantages is that these are from patients who have disease. It took many, many years for them to develop the disease. So it has many of the alterations or changes that you would see in a real tumor, but not, for example, in a mouse model where you might change one gene artificially, and it may reflect some aspects of it, but not all. So we're hopeful that moving forward we can use more and more of these patient-derived samples. So in our work, we're developing new approaches to treat advanced prostate cancer, and sometimes when we move forward, we can work with cells in culture, but at some point we need to work with animal models because we need to look at what happens not just to the tumor cells, but also the normal cells that are surrounding it. So it's very important to have that, what we call microenvironment, or the environment surrounding the tumor cells. And as you move forward to develop drugs, we have to test them in animals before we can test them in humans, but we try to limit that. So I think that the 3R program is a really important initiative. First, it brings awareness. Do we really need to work with mouse models in every setting or animal models? And I think this has been a great opportunity. I think many of us are moving in a direction away from animal models when possible, and sometimes they're absolutely still necessary, so it's not that we can entirely eliminate them, but I think it's a great opportunity for us to really explore and reevaluate how we do science, and we're very grateful for the foundation.